Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to show you how we can have raindrops on our screen in Unity camera. Okay, let's take a look at the plugin for Unity raindrops. You can find it in the GitHub at this address. I will share this address in the description of this video. And whenever you want to use it, it's just easy. Just press this button, download zip, and after that you will see it is the whole project itself. You just need to drag and drop this assets folder to your projects folder, just this. Okay, I already did it. I called it raindrops shader, and it already has the scene, which is for example. And as you can see, it has just a simple camera and a quad, which is for showing a 3D the screen of it. But as you can see, it has raindrop shader, raindrop material, and you just need to drag and drop your background image to this shader. Look at this, and the result will be like this. It is truly beautiful and so realistic. But the question is how we can have this filter on our now runtime camera, not just a simple image. Okay, for doing that, we should have another camera. I'm calling this camera Raindrop camera. Okay, and now we should create a render texture here. Okay, I call it Raindrop texture. Okay, and change the resolution to highest you want. For example, 2024, 2048. Okay, and now just put your camera where you want, for example, at this angle. Okay, and drag and drop the render texture to this camera. Okay, now you have texture. This render texture is the output of this camera. And now you should come over here into the quad and drag and drop that render texture to this quad instead of this camera and this texture. And now, if you play the scene, you have your effect on your screen. If you move that camera, look at this, you can change any angle you want. Okay, it is really beautiful and really easy to use. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.